A historic winter storm swept through the Gulf Coast on January 22nd, 2025, bringing blizzard conditions that caught everyone off guard. For the first time in recorded history, we saw snow blanketing areas that typically bask in sunshine. Snowfall totals reached over a foot in some places. Even subtropical Florida was not spared. The Arctic air mass plunged temperatures below freezing, causing widespread power outages and burst pipes. Roads turned into treacherous ice rinks, stranding motorists and shutting down major highways. Airports were chaotic, with flights canceled and travelers left in limbo. This storm was a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability, leaving us all to navigate a winter wonderland in the unlikeliest of places.